15 Asia-Pacific economies formed the world's largest free trade bloc on Sunday, a China-backed deal that excludes the United States, which had left a rival Asia-Pacific grouping under President Donald Trump. The signing of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership at a regional summit in Hanoi is a further blow to the group pushed by former US President Barack Obama, which his successor Trump exited in 2017. Amid questions over Washington's engagement in Asia, RCEP may cement China's position more firmly as an economic partner with Southeast Asia, Japan, and Korea, putting the world's second biggest economy in a better position to shape the region's trade rules. The United States is absent from both RCEP and the successor to the Obama led Trans Pacific Partnership, leaving the world's biggest economy out of two trade groups that span the fastest growing region on earth. RCEP groups the 10 member association of Southeast Asian nations: China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand. It aims in coming years to progressively lower tariffs across many years. The deal was signed on the sidelines of an online ASEAN summit held as Asian leaders address tensions in the South China Sea and tackle plans for a post-pandemic economic recovery in a region where US-China rivalry has been rising. In an unusual ceremony held virtually because of the coronavirus pandemic, leaders of RCEP countries took turns standing behind their trade ministers, who one by one signed copies of the agreement, which they then showed triumphantly to the cameras. RCEP will soon be ratified by its signatory countries and take effect, contributing to the post-COVID pandemic economic recovery. RCEP will account for 30% of the global economy, 30% of the global population, and reach 2.2 billion consumers, Vietnam said.